एवरीवन, वी आर वंस अगेन बैक। पर हम फिर से वापस हैं ये इंटरव्यू सेशन को लेके। ये हमारा एक 9th इंटरव्यू है ऑफ दिस सीरीज। इसका टॉपिक है डिसेबिलिटी एंड इट्स चैलेंजेस। तो लेट्स मीट आवर गेस्ट। आज के कौन गेस्ट है? सो हेलो।
हेलो जयंत।
हाय हर्षी। सो बिफोर हम ये इंटरव्यू को स्टार्ट करें उससे पहले आई जस्ट would request you to tell the viewers, जो भी हमारे जो दर्शक हैं जो देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को, जान पाए कि के बारे में कुछ आपके और आपके फैमिली के बारे में छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन है।
Hello everyone, my name is Harshi Saini and I am a Delhi resident. I am a graduate in English literature from Delhi University. During my college days, I have worked with some NGOs, and while working with an NGO, I have learned that in order to rise high in your life, you must stay humble and know your roots well. And, there are 5 members in my family.
Okay, so moving further to the starting of this interview, as you have given an introduction तो आपने दे दिया है, तो पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं इंटरव्यू के। तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि व्हाट डज डिसेबिलिटी मीन टू यू एंड if means if you are a person with disability, so what kind of a disability that you have?
So according to me, anything that disables or puts a person at a disadvantage is disability. And disability is an umbrella term for impairments and limitations an individual faces. By limitations, I mean the various difficulties a person faces in executing daily activities. For example, visual impairment is a functional limitation of the vision system. A person who is visually challenged uses his or her other senses in order to perceive the world. And nowadays, people who are visually challenged, they have devised a number of techniques like the screen reading softwares, NVDA, TalkBack, which helps them to work independently on computer and mobile phone. And there are historically many famous people with disability. For instance, Helen Adams Keller. She was an American author, activist. Uh, she was the first deaf and blind person to graduate from college. And as I am a graduate in English literature, how can I forget the legendary Greek epic poet Homer? Homer was also said to have been blind. So, yeah.
Okay, so what about yourself? Like, if you have, do you have any disability, and what kind of disability do you have?
No, I'm not a person with disability.
Okay, so that's great. So like having that kind of viewpoint related to disability and means either you are not a person with disability, so there also you have those views. It's very insightful views that you have given. So moving further, so my next question is that like let's talk about the normal times as usual, as you're talking in this pandemic time. So before the pandemic was not there, so in normal times, what do you think, according to you, what were the challenges that were faced by the person with disabilities or different disabilities you can talk about? Any limitation? Yeah.
So first of all, I would like to talk about the navigation problems. So visually challenged people, they use a stick to navigate. So if they are traveling without a person with eyesight, they can't recognize obstacles. Uh, for example, the stick can't recognize a pit. Okay, Delhi Metro is disabled friendly from entry to exit. Then, but the station staff, they monitor the passenger movements, provide personal help to the differently abled people. But these facilities are not available everywhere. Then comes, I have seen lots of people, like many people, they find satisfaction in bullying the disabled person, the person with disabilities. Okay, and people often say words like, I know what you are going through, and this must be hard. But I think these kinds of words never do justice to the troubles they face every day. So I think the major problem lies in the psyche of uh, major population, which considers people with physical disabilities, with any kind of disability, as a liability. They consider disability as their inability. And uh,
So as you talked about the challenges, let's move on to the alternatives, or what do you think, what can be the solutions, what the challenges that you talked about? तो उसमें क्या क्या मतलब उनके सुझाव आप दे सकें, कोई कुछ भी जो अपने उनसे।
so India has a long road ahead to combat the challenges. Uh, but the main, as I said earlier, the main problem lies in the psyche of the significant mass. So people should be empathetic towards them. ठीक है. दो जो भी आज मुझे सुन रहा है तो मैं उनसे यही कहना चाहूंगी, we all of us have a moral duty. ठीक है. No matter how small your contribution is, we can always help them. So you should always help them. And apart from this, there are many things which we can do. First thing is distress, anxiety is likely to be higher in a person with disability. So mental helpline numbers, they should be set up by the policymakers, and financial support should be provided, should be provided to PWDs. We There is a scheme called Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee Scheme. But the major drawback of the scheme is that the scheme allows only physical labor. And for a person with disability, this becomes a challenge. So PWDs should therefore have a non-physical labor based uh, employment guarantee scheme to provide them uh, financial support. Another solution can be subsidized smartphones for the families of all the PWDs to create a lifeline for communication. Like sales and repair shops should be allowed to remain open, as these are a very important communication tool for the PWDs. Another solution can be NGOs. NGOs should be encouraged, and CSR funds should be made available to them to continue their services.
Okay.
NGOs can, yes,
Yeah, yeah, continue.
NGOs can educate the PWDs communities on their entitlement and how to access them. And there are multiple challenges like PWDs face. Okay. Some of my friends are also visually challenged. So they are emotionally very vulnerable during this pandemic. Uh, so because
Definitely.
there is no interaction beyond family members and hostel mates. They are stuck at their hostel um, or their homes. So I think there is response like everyone should should be empathetic towards them. And uh,
Now you, as you like you suggested, मतलब आपने बहुत अच्छे suggestions दिए हैं, points दिए हैं, and that
yes.
needs to be looked out of. तो वो चाहे गवर्नमेंट की साइड से हो, चाहे इंडिविजुअली लोग अपना ऐसा सोशल मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझ के उसको करें, तो अपना अपना सबका माइंडसेट है दैट हाँ. So because India is a very vital mindset of people that we live in. तो कोई छोटी जगह नहीं है ये. बहुत सारे लोग की सोचे अलग, किसी की मैच कर जाए, that is good, but it doesn't make it very easy. So moving on further to the next topic. So the next topic is basically a question about the pandemic, as you pointed out, right? So what do you think the pandemic has, like, you already know that the pandemic restricted everyone to their home. So मतलब क्या लगता है आपको कि आपके साथ से कि क्या मुश्किलें आई होंगी पेंडेमिक के अंदर, पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज हैं, उनको किस
Hmm.
तरीके के इश्यूज या चैलेंजेस आए होंगे घर पे बैठ के, या हॉस्टल कहीं भी जहाँ पे वो इन हाउस.
So, according to me, for a blind person, self-isolation became a challenge due to their dependence on others. And another challenge is maintaining social distancing.
Hmm.
It becomes a challenge because they use their to perform their daily activities, to perceive the world. So maintaining a social distancing and self-isolation, it becomes more of a challenge for a person who uh, who is visually challenged or like suffering from any other disability. And as I said earlier, some of my friends are visually challenged. So during this pandemic, they are emotionally very vulnerable. And another challenge is the access to information. For the blind, television announcements, they are not available in plain text by most of the channels. Screen reader softwares, they uh, they can read only the plain text and not the pictorial text, right? Netflix has this accessibility feature. Okay. So, according to me, news channels should also provide such feature for them. Another problem, uh, we are required to fill the captcha code while we are filling the admission forms of universities, etc. So captcha codes, they are not accessible to the PWDs. The screen reading softwares, they can't recognize the captcha codes. Another challenge is during the online classes. So the text written on the screens, they are not accessible to the visually challenged students. Teachers, they present their screen. So like as I said, my friends are also visually challenged. So they used to text me like, please give me the notes and also because the screen reading softwares, they can't read the pictorial text, right? Uh, so according to me,
So, like you have very rightly mentioned or suggested, very issues or the challenges the pandemic in the pandemic that the person with disabilities might have faced, or they're still being facing because the pandemic is still being going on. So now let's move to the solutions or any alternative that you think that needs to bring on a change which needs to be bring up to minimize the challenges, because see some challenges cannot be waved off or cannot be solved. It can be at least minimized, so that at least that we can do.
hmm,
So what are basically the solution or the alternative that according to you, any recommendations, any suggestions to the people or to the government or anyone as a society as a whole, what are your suggestions or what are your solutions that you think that needs to be there? In time of pandemic, I'm talking about. What all the issues that you told about the pandemic?
so the first solution can be the public communication and education. Materials should be made accessible to PWDs. Uh, and as I said earlier, Netflix has this accessibility feature. The news channels should also provide such feature. And another thing can be the mental health line, 24/7 mental health line should be set up by the policy makers of our country. And my message for the society is uh, that please be empathetic and contribute and help with whatever you can. You should help. And my message for the people with disability who are listening to me right now is that live your life fully, accept yourself the way you are, be kind to yourself, love yourself and spread that love. And for the people with disability who are facing any kind of abuse or teasing, don't pay attention to the abusers or teasers. You should not ignore every time, but try to ignore. And if your soul is perfect from within, that's all you need. So just ignore them and do what makes you happy. never underestimate the importance of your health, mental health also, and happiness.
Rightly, even like I wanted to ask this message from you, but you already have like told the viewers about your message, whatever you wanted to give to the society as
Hmm.
a whole. So that was a great thing that you had told us and about to the viewers as well. So my last question would be the another one, because not the message you have already told, although I used that at the end. So yeah, so my last question is that, like, what do you think, if you know anything related to the model that we see? If it's one is charity model that we see in the disability person with disabilities or disability thing, or a social model that we see, so and plus a medical model that we mostly see. So what do you think, which model will be more efficient to be worked on for the coming future as a society, in general, I'm asking.
Sorry, I can't hear properly. The
Yeah.
first model.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So I was talking about the models, that there are three models: medical model, charity model, and the social model. So what model do you think is the can be a better one for the coming future? I hope you got my question.
Okay. So according to me, the society model will help.
Which model? I'm just asking you if you know anything about related to that. Like there are three models. One is social
Hmm.
model, another is medical model that we see disability through which eye, which in the coming future, which with which model we should see the disability or the person with disabilities, through a social model, through a medical model, or through a charity model. I hope you got my question.
Sorry,
मतलब
I'm not.
आने वाले वक्त में या फ्यूचर के अंदर हमें जो डिसेबिलिटी है, जो विकलांगता है, या जो अ,
Hmm.
लोग हैं जो विकलांगता से जिनको विकलांगता है, तो उनके रिगार्ड के अंदर हमें आने वाले समय पे समाज के अंदर ऐसा कौन सा एक वो लाना चाहिए मॉडल, एक सोशल मॉडल की मतलब जो सामाजिक मॉडल हो, या
Hmm.
ऐसा जो कि मेडिकल मॉडल हो, मतलब मेडिकल फील्ड से रिलेटेड हो, या चैरिटी मॉडल के अंदर हमको देखना चाहिए.
Uh, I think society model.
Okay, so you suggest a society model. So basically, a society model, I think, so it would be coming under the social model, because social model has all the like social society to work on it, right?
Yes, and I think on the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, like various shows, talks, events, they are organized on the issue okay, of disability. But people should realize where we have been going wrong as a society with respect to persons with disabilities and how these wrongs can be undone.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Go ahead.
Yes,
Yeah. So I was like, yeah. So sorry to interrupt in between. Yeah. So I was asking you the another thing I just had got in my mind. So what do you think? What there is a gap that we see. हमें एक मतलब एक gap दिखता है एक पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी की कम्युनिटी को, मतलब जो सोसाइटी है वो इतनी आसानी से एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है. हमें गैप दिखता है, बहुत बड़ा एक गैप है जो पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी और विदाउट डिसेबिलिटी के अंदर है हमारी सोसाइटी के. तो
mhm.
व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू हमें ऐसा क्या चेंज लाना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए जिससे गैप भर पाए सोसाइटी की.
um, like NGOs, they can run programs, okay, awareness programs for like which can help in minimizing this gap. So
Okay.
according to yes.
Okay. So you just told about the NGO. So what the person with disabilities can do, or the person without disability should do, so the gap gets minimized. It can be anything. It can be in any way.
Mm,
The best way.
so like NGOs की मैं बात कर रही थी. So
Hmm.
the CSR funds जो होते हैं, CSR funds, they should be made available to the NGOs so that they can continue the services. So it is the responsibility of the policymakers.
Hmm.
Okay. And NGOs, as I said earlier, so they can run awareness programs okay, to educate the PWD communities on their entitlements and how to access them.
Okay.
All right. because many of the person with disabilities, they are not aware of their entitlements.
Okay.
And then
What in the context of person without disabilities, so what they should be doing or what should be done for them to fill the gap? What the person without disabilities should do so that the gap gets bridged up? मतलब जो gap है वो उसको हम bridge कर सके, उसको हम खत्म कर सके, minimize कर सके. ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए? So moving further ahead, and as we are almost end, and I asked you the last question. So once again, it's my any specific thing you would like to give, because you have already mentioned about your message that you wanted to give to the society. So anything in particular you would like to say at the end to anyone, to the society, to the person with disabilities, without anything you would like to say?
So in the end, I would like to say this message is for the person with disabilities. So we only get one life, so live it fully as possible. Just listen to your heart and just do what makes you happy.
Okay. So yeah, so we're almost, it's the end of this interview session, the 9th session that you're here doing here now. So for that, I just would like to thank you, Harshi, and plus the viewers who are all watching this. So I just would like to request the viewers, like, to, even if they don't like this video, I just ask them, request them to, मेरी उनसे दरख्वास्त रहेगी कि आप हमारे चैनल को चाहे लाइक या सब्सक्राइब ना कीजिए, आप कम से कम जो हमारे वीडियोस के लिंक्स, मतलब वीडियो में आप उसके लिंक को शेयर कीजिए, कि जिससे हम अवेयरनेस, जो हम अपना प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, हम अवेयरनेस को ज्यादा से ज्यादा बढ़ा पाए सोसाइटी के अंदर, आइदर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली, जो भी है, जहां भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, जितना शेयर कर सकते हैं आप, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब चाहे ना करिए, बट प्लीज शेयर कीजिए. शेयर करने से हमारा जो मोटिव है, जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, वो पूरा होगा. So thank you everyone, thank you Arshi, and thank you to the viewers watching. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.